Hi, happy Monday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's today's tip.
This week, let's address a few common support issues. Let's say you just upgraded to the newest version of SOLIDWORKS, in this case, 2020. You open it up for the first time and go to create a new part. You might get an error about not being able to create templates, or that you're missing templates, or these just may be blank. Luckily, this is usually a pretty simple fix. The program might still be looking for templates in a previous version's folder. If I come up here to the system options and select file locations, I can see that my current document templates are looking in these 2018 folders. I could potentially add some new ones that are correct and delete these old ones, but there's a much easier way to do this that can also fix other possible issues down the line. I'll come up and grab this Edit All button, which will bring up this window. This should show the paths of all file locations. You can see I have quite a few that are still pointing at 2018, as well as a few that are undefined, but that's just because I haven't set those up yet. I can quickly fix all of these with this Find Replace button. I'll type in 2018 here to find all instances of that and replace them all with what I put here, 2020. After I hit Replace All and close this, it'll show the new file path over here in green. Save and close, and those file paths should be locked. Right above file locations is default templates. Just make sure everything is looking right here. Let's come in and remap those to the proper templates by clicking on these three dots and selecting the correct template. I'll then hit OK down here. It'll ask me if I want to make these changes, which I do, so I'll hit OK again. We should now be able to create new files as usual.
Thanks for watching. Please contact us with any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.